Hi! Welcome back to the Urban Garden Initiative's gardening series. In this series, we give you step-by-step tutorials on how to take care of your plant. In today's video, I'll be going over how to nurture your plant, such as the water, sunlight, and nutrients your plant might need. Make sure you follow the Urban Garden Initiative on their YouTube channel to stay tuned for more updates. This video will be based around container gardening, which is easy to do indoors. First, know how much sun your plant needs. This ensures that your plant doesn't have stunted growth or the soil dries out. As you can see here, I'm growing marigolds, Brussels sprouts, and tomatoes. It'd be a good idea for me to rotate their placement by the window so they all get the ideal amount of sun. Some common plants that do well in full sun include tomatoes, squash, melons, peppers, and cucumbers. It's also important to make sure you give your plants the right amount of water. It's really easy to get confused between an underwatered and an overwatered plant. So you might give your plant more water thinking it's too dry, when in reality it's overwatered. To make sure you don't do this, always check your plant's water content by sticking your finger about 2 inches into the soil. To save an underwatered plant, take the plant out of the soil and put its roots in a bottle of water for about half an hour, and then repot it. To save an overwatered plant, also repot the plant, but make sure that the soil is dry. Here are a couple examples of plants that need a lot of water: beans, carrots, peppers, cucumbers, and peas. After your plant has sprouted, you may also choose to add fertilizer to your soil. The 3 most important ingredients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, so look out for those ingredients when you pick out your fertilizers. Thanks for watching the video.